Hello, this is how to change your TikTok username. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, open your TikTok account. Make sure you log in your TikTok account. Then guys, press here on your profile. Press there on your profile. Then guys, come on your TikTok profile. Make sure you press up here. You press up here on edit profile. Then guys, you are going to press here. You're going to press here on username. Make sure you press here on username. Then guys, you are free to change any username you want here on TikTok. You are free to change any username you want here on TikTok. That's how you can change a username on TikTok. Make sure you like the video, share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe guys. See you in the next video.